My name is Dr. Eugene Ong. I'm one of the veterinary directors of Vets on Falcon. We're a family-owned independent veterinary practice based in Crow's Nest, looking after dogs and cats. What we were looking for in a partner was really one that understood the business, the needs, but also understood that different hospitals had their own needs that had to be catered for. I think there's a lot of variation in what individual vets want, and for us, Evoke was able to really work with us to flesh out what we were looking for. What really stood out for Evoke was probably the ability to have a common point of contact. And we certainly went through this process for a few different sites, and some things didn't always work out, and Evoke was always there partnering with us for different spaces. And when we finally found the site, for us it was important to have a partner that was able to go through that whole process with us, and we had developed a good relationship over time. So there was trust, there was understanding, and essentially we refined the process of what we were looking for. And when we found the correct space, it was a fairly straightforward decision for us. The need for us to be able to execute in a timely manner. So from start to finish, I think the process has been smooth flowing, and we were able to work within the estimated time frames and allow us to open at a time that we expected to start trading. So I'm really impressed with the speed of how the whole project came together. I think the feel of the project, now that it's come together, has been probably beyond what we expected, and the clients and the pets have certainly felt that. Our goal was always to achieve a low stress, calm environment, and we're seeing that in terms of how people perceive the practice. They've told us that it's very calm, very low stress, very relaxing, and it's certainly also seen in how the animals, the pets, are responding to being in the practice. They are more relaxed, they are happier, and it means that we can do more in a low stress environment. I would highly recommend Evoke to another partner. I think this process has been challenging at times, as any project would be, but Evoke has been a very good partner for us in terms of making it as smooth as possible for us. It's truly been an enjoyable process, and for what it's worth, I think if we were to go with another site, we would certainly consider Evoke as our next building partner again.